Hi, I'm Randy Mulder, your Hi-Vis Realtor here in Niagara. And we're here at 3917 Vineyard, Crescent in Vineland to show you an absolutely beautiful raised bungalow semi in the heart of Vineland. Come on in and take a look. So if you want more information on this lovely home, give me a call at 905-359-9411 or go to yourniagarahome.com for more information. And if you want your listing to pop with more visibility, call the Hi-Vis Realtor.